Today, I'm going to show you how to roast a red pepper in 30 minutes or less. It will have your house smelling divine. And did I mention it's delicious? Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha, Lanae, indie artist, health enthusiast, and a mom. And on this channel, I share me and my family's journey to better health via detox, alkaline eating, and herbs. So if you want to learn more about alkaline living and how you can detox to support your body while it heals, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. I post new videos every week. Hello, beautiful people. This is my roasted red pepper for vegan cheese recipe that I'll be sharing tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you do not miss my alkaline dairy-free vegan cheese recipe that uses this roasted red pepper. I'll also be sharing a delicious roasted red pepper vegan soup recipe in the future, but my dairy-free vegan cheese recipe premieres tomorrow, Friday, August 28th at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And it's a must-see. Before I jump in, please do like this video if you are as excited as I am for this roasted red pepper deliciousness. When you like the video, it really helps the channel, so thank you in advance. Without further ado, let's jump into the kitchen so that I can show you how to roast a red pepper in 30 minutes or less, because we got things to do, and we ain't got time to be up in the kitchen all day, right? Right.
So this is a quick and easy roasted red pepper recipe. First thing you want to do is make sure your red pepper is washed, of course. And then all you want to do is get rid of this center. I just like to cut around. You want to devein your red pepper, get all these seeds out. You can just shake it out. Okay, so now it's deveined. You just cut it in half. Next up, the flat pan and some parchment paper. Measure it. All right. Okay, so now we have our parchment paper on our pan. We have our oven set to 450. All you do is place them like this so that the skin side is up, and we're going to go and put this in the oven, and it's going to be ready to roast. So now we're just going to put this in the oven. The oven is preheated to 450, nice and centered under the light. And we're just going to set the timer for 30 minutes, but you want to just come back and check it periodically. And the main thing that we're looking for is making sure that the skin is bubbling and the skin is black. All right, our timer is saying that the red peppers are ready. So I got my handy gloves, you see. I love these things. Okay, so let's check on our red peppers. That's exactly how you want them to look. So 30 minutes at 450. Perfect. Let's go ahead and take these out. Take a look at that. Ooh, perfect. And the smell, the aroma is so good. It smells just like how it tastes. Okay, so now what I have here is glass container that also has a sealable airtight top. Some different recipes will say to put it in a plastic Ziploc bag, but I don't like to do that because I don't want all that, the chemicals from the plastic being absorbed into this because they're hot, so who knows what might get leached into there. So instead I like to use Pyrex glass. If you put it in this glass bowl, put the top on, it just helps it to sweat, and it'll make it really easy because the next thing we want to do is peel that skin off and throw it away. So you put it in here, let it sit for a few minutes, 10 to 30 minutes, you know, whatever, while you're doing other things, you can let this sit. So we'll be back in a few minutes to check on this, but for now we'll just set it aside. So it's been about 40 minutes or so because I was doing some other things, but you really only need to do probably 10 minutes. But now you see our roasted red peppers have sweated a lot, and they are ready to be skin removed. So you see how it just comes right off like that? Just remove that. You can use these in a lot of different recipes. Be delicious on a sandwich. I use it in my sea moss cheese recipe, but you could use it in a hummus recipe, and alkaline pasta recipe. If you're not ready to use it that day, throw the skin away and just store it in this. This is roasted red pepper, quick and easy, really simple, but it tastes delicious. It really brings the flavor out in the red pepper.
And And remember, this Friday, tomorrow, I'll be sharing how you can use this roasted red pepper to make my favorite dairy-free alkaline vegan cheese. This vegan cheese recipe uses ingredients exclusively from Dr. Sebi's recommended food list. No tapioca starch, no nuts or nut milks, or any complicated ingredients. Just this gold sea moss, this roasted red pepper, and a few other simple ingredients. Also, if you haven't already, watch my video, How to Make Quinoa Milk, because we'll be using that quinoa milk in my alkaline vegan cheese recipe. I'll link to my easy quinoa milk recipe in the description box below. I'll also be sharing a special discount code for my favorite golden sea moss that I use to make this sea moss cheese. The code will get you 15% off your gold sea moss purchase, so make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notifications bell so that you do not miss all this creamy deliciousness and your 15% off code. Make sure you go to my website and subscribe to my newsletter so you don't miss the announcement for my upcoming alkaline recipe book and detox transition guide. I've been talking with y'all and listening to what you need, and I'm creating this recipe book and detox transition guide to set you up for success and help those of you looking to transition yourselves and your families into an alkaline lifestyle. To subscribe to the newsletter, all you have to do is go to my website, timothalanae.com, which is linked below, and scroll down and the subscribe prompt will pop up, enter your email, and voila, you are subscribed. If you want to learn more about alkaline living and detox, watch my series, Detox Made Easy, and my complete Dr. Sebi playlist. And go and binge watch the previous videos in my All Things Sea Moss series, like how I healed my acne scars with sea moss, 20 unique ways to use sea moss, and how to make you and your kids some sea moss popsicles. Join my Facebook group, Alkaline Living and Detox, for more meal plan ideas, Q&A, and a community of like-minded individuals. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video if it was helpful for you and you feel like it could help others. I am Timotha Lanae. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.